Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss on the engineering workbench. So engineering workbench is the transaction which can help to do the mass changes of BOM and routing. So transaction code is CEWB and this transaction is alternative to the CS20. In this session we will talk about the configuration of work area, some functionalities of CEWB and mass changes of BOM. We'll go through a demo how to do the mass changes of BOM through this transaction. So work area, like when you log into the transaction CEWB, it will give a pop-up where you have to and you select the work area. Okay. So let me go to SAP. I will show you how to use that transaction. CEWB. So here this is the here we need to select the working area. So if you look at, these are the lists of working area created, like some working area for BOM header, some are for the BOM item, and some are for the routing task list operations, some are for the task list header. Okay, so these are the different working area has created. Suppose I choose BOM header. So here now you will get such screen once you choose the work area. Here, like if you want to see these objects with relevant to particular change number, with related to some particular change number, you can give the change number here, and your working area you can change the selected working area here. Now here you will have the two screen: basic selection criteria, another is additional selection criteria. So in basic selection criteria you will have only material, plant, usage, all those selection parameters are there. In additional selection criteria, the selection parameter you selected in the working area, that selection parameters will be here. Okay, so you will get all that this list as per the configuration in the working area. Okay. Before we talk on the output of this transaction, let's go to the configuration of working area. SPRO. So in SPRO there is a logistic general node is logistic general. If you look at this is the node logistic general. Under logistic general there is product lifecycle management. So the product lifecycle management, under product lifecycle management you will go to the basic data. Under basic data there is a option sub node engineering workbench. Okay, so engineering workbench, under engineering workbench edit working area. Edit working area. So if you choose this one, edit working area, see you will get all these working area are there. Okay, suppose I will go to here for BOM header, SAP underscore BOM. Okay, so if you click details, okay, here it will get BOM header, and if you look at this material routing assignment, operation, sub operation. So whatever you selected here, those will be activated in the transaction for those particular working area. Okay, suppose if I select this working area SAP underscore BOM, but if you look at this inspection characteristic is not selected here, then this will be disabled for me in the CEWB. Suppose if I go here, see now here if you look at, because inspection characteristic is not selected, So I will not get any tab for the selection inspection characteristic in selection parameter. Okay. Now once you so all these are the parameter for this working area. Now again if you look at, there is one lock automatically. So lock automatically is basically like, suppose you are editing some objects, same object should not be accessed by the other user to edit edit. So to avoid the interlocking of the between the users for the same object, then you can use the lock automatically. Okay. So whatever objects will copy to your working area, that will be locked and that could not be accessed by the other user to edit the same object. Okay. So that you can, in that case you can use this lock automatically. Okay. Now if suppose you want to create the new working area, you select the new working area, new entry, and suppose I will choose 1. Okay. Suppose I will give the 1. Okay. And I will give demo 1. Okay. Suppose I select because there are 4 parts. 4 parts are there: task list header, task list operation, BOM header, BOM item. So based on that you will choose your what will be the content what will be the required content parameter for the working area. Okay. Suppose I will select the BOM header, and here I will choose the BOM header, item, sub item, component assignment. Okay. So once you choose the component assignment, because component generally assigned to the routing or task list, so it automatic selected material, routing assignment, header, sequence operation. Okay. And suppose I choose the inspection characteristic also, and I will save it. So this is saved. Okay. Now I will go. Okay. Now again I will go to the CEWB. In CEWB, see, you will get this one, SAP underscore BOM 1. Okay. Suppose I choose this one. So now if you look at in previous working area what we selected, there we did not get the inspection characteristic because this was not selected in the configuration, but here you will get the inspection characteristic. Okay. And here BOM selection criteria. Okay. Suppose if I choose plant, and here is the one of the material. Okay. And this one. So as this working area is BOM header, so once I load the BOM get the output, I got the header view. Okay. Now from here, so here you can see all these parameters of header. After that, and this and suppose you want to change something, change some parameter, you can click this change log. Okay. So here you will get this pop-up. Here you can keep your change number, and then suppose I want to go to the item of this BOM. Okay. I can choose here item, so I can come to this. Okay. So I can come to this item label. Now, so there are, if you look at material task, suppose you will go to click this one, then you will get the to routing, to which routing this this metal is assigned. You can get to go to that routing and that operation. Okay, and suppose if there is inspection characteristic is there, then you will get the inspection characteristic. Okay, and here also like bomb header, you want to suppose you will get the, you can navigate it from to the bomb header, or if, now you are in item level, if you choose the bomb header, you will navigate to the bomb header. Okay, so these are the some basic functionality to display in this same transaction in CEWB. Okay, now we'll so here if you look at again, before we go to the to show the demo for the mass changes. So here if you look at like the different tabs you are getting: item details, status, okay, material planning, and so variable size item. So all those are different tabs what we are getting in this CS03. will get all these parameters in this transaction. Okay, now we'll show the demo like how to do the mass changes of a bomb through this transaction. Okay, so before that we need to create a change number. Let me create a change number. So CC01. So I have already uploaded a session on the, I have already done one session on the engineering change management, which covers the functionality of change number. I will give the link of that session in the description. You can refer that video for this engineering change management. Okay. Now I selected with release key. So here suppose I choose this one, I give the description and date, today's date, and active. Okay, now I will select the object type. In object type I will choose both bomb and routing, bomb and routing. Okay, then I will save it. So I got the change number, last number is 14. Okay, now I will go to the CEWB. Now what we'll do, will replace one component by another one. Suppose here in this component, suppose this the material RM01 is being used from multiple bomb. So we'll show you demo to replace that component of multiple bomb by another component. Okay, now I will go to the again and I will choose the same working area. Okay, I will go to the additional selection criteria. Item, we'll go to the item. Okay, SCPL, and I will give that component RM01. Okay, so the bombs which are with component RM01 will get that list. Okay, now I'll draw. So now I got all the bomb which are with RM01. Now this is the header view. Okay, so now I will go to the item view. Either you can also directly choose one working area which is with item level, item view. Okay, so you can go directly to the item view. Else from header level also you can navigate to the item level. So if you look at, there are the commit bombs with RM01. Suppose I will filter the with for RM01 only. Okay, so these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 bomb with RM01. Now we have to select all the rows, okay, for which bombs you want to change. You have to select all those rows, okay, and then you will select here change. So here we have to give our change number. Our change number is this one. Okay, so once you gave this change number, you see all these are locked. Now no one now it locked, so we will change now. Okay, now I will select this column for component. I selected the component column. Then you will go to the extra. There is in menu, there is extra. Okay, from there look at on bottom, there is mass change. We select the mass change. So now we are going to replace the RM01 component by the other component, that is RM02. Okay, RM02. So if I select check, then there is no error, nothing. Now I will execute. Okay, now it's saying 6 of 6 items are changed. Okay. Now what happened? Let me check again. So suppose if I go to the BOM of this one, so here see, so it is already changed. Okay, but I think some screen has stuck up. I'll do one thing, go back. Item, see, now all the RM01 component which are RM02 RM01 is replaced by the component RM02. Okay, see, now the change number is 14. So now we did what we did, we replaced the component RM01 by the RM02. Okay, so this is the all about the mass and how to do the mass changes of we can do the mass changes of routing also, either you can do mass bomb or routing through the same transaction. Okay. Once the mass changes are already done with the change number, then if the change number is relevant to the release key, then we have to go to the transaction CC02 for that change number. Then on change number you have to release that change number. So once you release that change number, then the changes you did with that change number will be applicable for the processing when for manufacturing. Okay. So if it is saved it. Okay. So this is now all about the configuration of work area, some overview of functionality in the transaction CEWB, and how to do the mass changes in the CEWB. Okay. Hope you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching the video.